going to be showing you how to make dog shampoo really easy with simple ingredients that you should have at home, and if you don't, you can always go to the grocery store and get it, and it's really cheap stuff that's used for cooking. I use it myself, obviously, for my dog, and he loves it. He smells good, he's shiny and smooth, it moisturizes his skin, his hair, and he just looks very well taken care of. Yeah. The ingredients are very easy. Let's go over to my kitchen and I'll show you guys what to do. There is 4 ingredients, not including water, but let's go ahead and show you guys how to switch this over to the other side. Oatmeal is the first ingredient you need. You need about a cup. You need a blender because we're gonna blend these. You also need baking soda, about 1 cup, 1 spoon of olive oil, or half a spoon to 1 spoon of olive oil. And the final ingredient is not mandatory. Coconut oil is the best thing ever. Now this recipe is for a large dog. It's gonna make a lot. Just make sure the oats are fine and mix all the ingredients with the water, and that's it, guys. It's really easy. You'll see.
That's good. Now I'm gonna add in a bowl.
Baking soda, a spoon of olive oil. I'm gonna put a spoon of coconut. Is the water. Water. Wash them dirty balls. Well, he doesn't have no balls because he got fixed. Oh. Oh. But they say that's good for dogs, or calming their temperament down when they get their balls chopped off. I don't know. Yeah, I guess. I don't want to say it's true, but I guess it's true. But at least he gets to have lots of sex and not have babies. Although our female ran away. I had a female pit. He's a mix. This boy is a pit mix. And he's an emotional support dog for me, because I need emotional support. I guess I can make a video talking about how to get the license for the emotional support pet, so you can take him or her anywhere and ain't nobody gonna say shit to you, because you can take your pet with you anywhere according to federal law if you got that license. And yeah, I'll talk about that in another video. Oy, Gucci, 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 Gucci. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys. Yep, you gotta, like, you know, get it in there. It's pretty thick. Look at him. I don't know if you can tell. How well it's getting in there. Oh, 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 oh. He's not even excited. I'm more excited than him. But anyways, guys, take care and bye.
Oh my god, I can't figure it out. I can't figure it out.
Does this switch over to the other side? What do you mean? Okay. Hey you guys, what's up?